Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make broccoli cheddar soup. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a pound of broccoli, a small yellow onion, a large carrot, 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of half and half or whole milk, 2 cups of sharp or mild shredded cheddar cheese, a quarter cup of butter, a quarter cup of flour, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by rinsing our broccoli and carrot in the sink. Then we'll trim and chop our broccoli into 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. Peel and dice our onion, and julienne our carrot. I'm using a special potato peeler with julienne blades. Then we'll melt our butter in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once it's melted, we'll add in our garlic, onion, and carrot, and cook until the onions become translucent, about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then we'll coat our carrot and onion mixture with our quarter cup of flour and allow it to cook, stirring constantly, about another 2 minutes, before pouring in our chicken broth and adding in our pound of broccoli, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. We'll bring this to a boil and then reduce heat to medium-low and allow our soup to simmer, stirring occasionally, for about 25 minutes. After our soup has cooked for 25 minutes, we'll stir in our 2 cups of half and half or whole milk and 2 cups of shredded cheddar. We'll let this cook about another 2 minutes until the cheese is melted, before removing it from the heat. Then I'll serve this in a sourdough bread bowl. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.